I'm tired of watching you pretend to be the new man of the house.
I'm not trying to be the new
A
man.
real man would have stopped Dad from going back in there. I would have never let Dad go back in.
You weren't there, Kev.
It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Damn it, I didn't want to do this.
Kevin?
No, it's okay. Kevin's the worst again. Order's restored to the universe.
It hit me like a bolt of lightning. You were my purpose, Kevin. I'm gonna swear to you, son. I swear to you, you will find yours.
I'm sorry, Dad, that I wasn't there that night, and I'm sorry the last thing I ever said to you was awful.
Do him a favor. Stop trying to live up to me. I was terrified of being like my dad, and you were terrified of not being like yours. We both wasted a lot of time being quietly terrified.
That necklace, it's the only thing I have left in my life from my dad. It's the only thing I have.
Dad was the most there person that ever lived. Everything that I do with his voice in my head.